To connect USB drive to Redmi A5, all you simply need is the USB drive which has the Type-C, USB Type-C connector. So you can actually plug this USB drive to your phone, and in case your USB drive doesn't have USB Type-C but has USB Type-A connector, from here you will need the adapter which you can use just like this. You can plug in the Type-A right here, and from the other side you have the Type-C. But my drive does have the Type-C, so let's actually use it like this. And all you simply have to do from now on is you have to plug this USB stick, USB drive into your phone without the problem, just like this. And from here, as you plug it in, you have to wait until this icon in the notification bar right here appears. And as we go for notifications, we can see that there is the USB drive connected for storing photos, videos, music, and more. So we can simply tap on this notification and we will be forwarded into the files application. You can select any files application that you want to use, and you will be forwarded into this application, and here are all of these files on the USB drive available. And that's basically how you can do this.